Welcome back, and welcome to Unity Car. Today we've brought you something that looks like it's been pulled straight from a dream and turned into reality. Yes, this is the 2025 DreamDrift Camper, a magnificent creation that's not just a vehicle, but a royal palace on wheels. The moment you lay eyes on it, it feels like a futuristic space capsule has landed on Earth. Its outer color, design, and gleaming curves are absolutely captivating. With a white and chrome gray exterior, this beauty dominates forests, mountains, or even city roads like royalty. The LED headlights in the front glow like moonlight piercing through the night, and its giant alloy wheels handle all kinds of terrain with ease. As soon as the door opens, the view inside leaves you breathless. A whole world is built inside: soft, luxurious sofas, a golden round table, sparkling white bedsheets, and a cozy bed, everything giving off a royal palace vibe. There's also a small kitchen area, equipped with a shiny stainless steel single-burner stove, fridge, and a modern sink with a stylish faucet. This camper is not just about comfort, it's about style and convenience. There's even a makeup table with a beautiful mirror and drawers, so you never have to compromise on your style while traveling. Soft carpets, low-height cushioned chairs, and a wall-mounted LCD screen, everything is there with a touch of elegance. For airflow, there's a quiet built-in fan, and smart windows that open and close automatically at the touch of a button. One of the most special features is its solar power battery system, meaning you'll never have to worry about electricity. It also has a silent air conditioner to keep the cabin cool at all times. And if you're in a remote location, a satellite internet system keeps you connected to the world. When it comes to safety, this camper stands tall, with a rear camera, blind spot monitoring, emergency brake system, and more. Its hybrid engine runs on both electricity and petrol, so it's fuel efficient and environmentally friendly. The reinforced steel body underneath makes it perfect for all types of roads. DreamDrift Camper isn't just a travel ride, it's a lifestyle. It gives you everything you've ever dreamed of: freedom, comfort, style, and cutting-edge tech. Wherever this camper goes, people stop and stare, take pictures, and say, "This isn't just a camper, this is a dream come true." If you're looking for a journey that's not just about reaching a destination, but about making every moment unforgettable, then the 2025 DreamDrift Camper is your dream ticket. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a gateway to your dream life. Would you want to own this stunning, modern, and royal camper? Let us know in the comments, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until the next video, keep your dreams alive, because we are Unity Car, and we bring your dreams to the road.